Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ilham Nulhaziq Sulaiman, numeric A1980186. So today I will explain more about the issue that I get is takeover debt ridden retail group casino is in negotiation to sell its French discount store chain leader price to German discount giant Aldi to the tune of euro 400 million. Casino is targeting the sale of euro 2 billion worth of asset to reduce its debt burden. With the deal, Aldi could close the gap to competitor LIDL. Based on my understanding, the content in this issue is more about French supermarket chain Casino wants to offload its discount chain leader price and is now supposedly close to a deal with Aldi. 750 million euro according to Reuters. An agreement between Casino and Aldi is imminent. Both parties supposedly more or less agree on a 750 million euro value for the discount chain, but the deal is not signed yet. Neither Aldi nor Casino wish to respond to the article. Already in September last year, Casino confirmed rumors that the French retailer was conducting exclusive negotiation with Aldi to sell the price. At the time, there was talk of a takeover price of well over 400 million euros. The French chain is burdened by heavy debt and is trying to tackle that with a divestment plan worth 4.5 billion euros. The sale of leader price is part of that downsizing. On its own French market, Casino has suffered greatly from the fierce competition, including from illegal and discounter Aldi and LIDL. Online players like Amazon also present a big challenge. According to my understanding, this issue explains the debt burden borne by the casino, causing him to need to sell most of the asset to remain relevant in the retail industry. I think that this is a risk taken to remain competitive with other companies through the leader price offered by it. For me as a student, think that the debt is something bad. For some entrepreneur is good because it's a loan done to run small something business. What I can learn from this issue that there is certainly an agreement to be made that no debt is good debt, but borrowing money and taking on debt is the only way many people can afford to purchase important big ticket item like a home. While those kind of loan are usually justifiable and provide value to the person taking on the debt, there is another end of the spectrum that involve debt that's taken on carelessly. While it's easy to differentiate between these two extremes, some other debt are harder to judge. With this issue, I can relate to the concept of SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning and strategic management technique used to help an individual or organization identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to business competition or project planning. It is sometimes called situation assessment or situation analysis. So we identify some connection that the strength of a casino is strong free cash flow. Casino have a strong free cash flow that provides the resources in the hand of companies to grow into new projects. Moreover, the disadvantage is financial planning is not done properly and efficiently. The current asset ratio and the liquid asset ratio suggests that a company can use cash more efficiently than it does at present. Furthermore, casinos also have the opportunity that a stable free cash flow provide an opportunity to invest in adjacent product segment with more cash in the bank. Companies and invest in new technology as well as its new product segment. This should open a window of opportunity for casinos in other product categories. But casinos have to accept threat from liability law in different countries are different, and casino may be exposed to various liability claims given the change in policy in those markets. According to my understanding, this issue taught me how to solve problems by making smart and quick decisions as well as how to stay competitive in the industry. The concept of SWOT analysis for me should be there is any company in order to be able to identify every opportunity and so on. So how can I bring this issue to major international players operating in the Indonesia retail market? In terms of market share, several major players now dominate the market. The well-organized retail market has grown significantly with companies expanding store and considering business potential in new areas. Most of the organized grocery store increasingly being replaced by retail hypermarket, supermarket, and other retail chains. This is expected to continue on a large scale during the forecast period. Finally, every company must identify the purpose of doing business and learn more with other people companies in order to get an idea of the world of the industry and apply the concept of SWOT analysis to remain relevant.